We are AIRFILL Technologies. In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps to quickly assemble your AIRFILL 1412-2 box for easy shipping. Let's get started. First, place the fixture so the name plate is face forward. Set the box on top of the fixture. Ensure the box is directly in the center of the folding jig. Collapse the scores in the front of the box and position them against the pillars and lightly push the box down. Next, apply pressure to the center of the box. Fold over the edge and place tabs in the bottom grooves. Fold over and insert tabs in the grooves to create space for the power supply. Let's take another view at folding those edges to insert into the designated grooves. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.